Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together. Let's warm up. Today is a sports day, and I can compete with other athletes. Whether I win or lose, you'll see at the end. Like this video if you believe in me. I'll do my best.
3, 2, 1, run!
Oh no, I need a little break.
Catch the ball. Throw the ball.
Come and join the tug of war! Pull! Jump!
Yeah, I want to try. No, this is not for me.
Hey, no kicking the ball. This is volleyball, not football.
Calling all participants. It's time for the final relay race.
Wow, let's try.
Pass the baton to the next runner.
I didn't win anything today. But it's not about winning. It's about taking part. Right? Yeah. All right, team. Let's get fired up and smash those sports day verbs. Throw. Catch. Pull. Run. Kick. Hit. Pass. Jump. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.